Good morning! Today we are doing a what I eat in a day video.
I see a light in your eyes.
For reference, I eat pretty much whatever I want. I'm the biggest proponent of portion control. Like, if you control your portions, you can eat whatever you want. Obviously, it's important to get a lot of fruits and veggies and nutrient-dense food so that you feel energized and happy to take on the day. Look who's cooking breakfast today! Sweet onions is always our go-to for our scrambled eggs. So we've got sweet onion, sweet pepper, garlic is key. Only 5 eggs.
Of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon.
This is one of our favorite new scrambled egg recipes. So for lunch today, I'll be making one of my meals from Green Chef. My box got here. Some of my favorite recipes that I repeat over and over again has come from Green Chef and from HelloFresh, which I have used in the past. I'm always excited to open up the package and see what recipes are inside. So for this week, I actually ordered a vegan box because I wanted to incorporate more vegan foods into my diet and just try new things. So let's see what we have here. So I love looking at the recipes and seeing, wow, that looks really good and perfect for fall. Ooh, I love mushrooms. Okay, I might make this one. It has step-by-step instructions on the back, which is really, really nice. And you guys have probably heard me talk about Green Chef before. They have sponsored me, and so has HelloFresh. They're like kind of part of the same parent company. Got all 3 recipes that come in little baggies like this. So we've got, this is the green pea falafel. All the ingredients are already pre-measured. Teriyaki rice bowls. And creamy corn and potato chowder. Even the sauce, like what sauce you're supposed to use, comes pre-packaged. And this comes with pretty much everything you need. All you need is really salt and pepper and like your own vegetable oil, I guess, to make things. And I love how they break this down into really condensed steps. Instead of having like a million steps, they try to group things together. So it's just kind of easier to follow. And the pictures help a lot too.
You're full of confidence and cheap galore. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I turn my life to an imitation I don't know. I swear I'll tell the truth and you.
Here it is. Look how pretty it looks. The moment of truth. This is actually really good. I think one of the biggest struggles for a lot of people, especially when they're trying to count calories, when you do a recipe, a lot of recipes like online and stuff, they don't have the calorie count, or you don't know exactly what portion to make yourself. So this comes already everything pre-portioned. It tells you there's exactly 2 portions in this whole thing. So you know exactly how many calories you're getting. And for example, if you're new to being vegan, like this is a great way to find recipes and things because this actually tastes really good. And I always assumed vegan food was like blah, you know, but this is super yummy. I love it. And I would never think of combining like pineapple with portobello mushrooms. Like that was weird. It's like getting a new little Pinterest recipe delivered to your door. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company and they have dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. If you'd like to check out Green Chef for yourself, go to greenchef.us/Vicky90 and use code Vicky90 to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. Hi guys, it is evening time. I'm in the bathroom because the lighting looks so great here. And I'm gonna go have dinner at my parents' house tonight. I'm making us a pasta. I got like the temptation to have a little snack, but I know if I have a snack now, I'm not gonna be like as hungry later, and I really want to have a big plate of pasta. Also, I'm craving something sweet, so my BCAs will really hit that sweet spot. My raspberry sorbet BCAs, girl, if you haven't tried that, what are you waiting for? So I'm gonna make that right now, and then I'm gonna show you one of my favorite pasta recipes for dinner tonight. Woo! I got my BCAs. I am almost out. Oh my god, time for a restock. Whenever I have a sweet tooth, this picks me right up. BCAs have a ton of benefits. They're super good for you. I'm actually gonna put them up on screen so you can see. I like taking them during my workout and also throughout the day. They just make water taste amazing. And I actually personally worked on this flavor, so you already know it's bomb. Like, look, it's me. Back when my hair was like super short, we're on a hair growth journey now. That's why it's up in a bun, because I'm trying to stay away from heat and whatever. Where, you want some too? Yeah.